All right, check it out. The complete plant-based cookbook. 500 inspired flexible recipes for eating well without meat. And this is a great one too, let me tell you. It's got really good, look at that, is cauliflower grilled with a pesto sauce. You can eat great without meat. I have not eaten meat since the 1980s, and it has everything you could possibly want to eat in here. I mean, oh, so good. Look at those pictures. Does not that look delicious? So anyway, I highly recommend it because if you want to be healthy, you want to be in great shape, you want to have good cardiovascular shape, I think this is the way to go. And that's what I've been doing for my whole life, really, my adult life. And yeah, totally, I would recommend trying it out. Here's the back. That's the back, and that's the front. All right, get it and get healthy.